Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to share an Instagram post on Facebook feed. So if you want to share something that you've already shared on Instagram and you want to share that on Facebook, just follow this video and by the end of it you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open up Instagram, and let me open my profile here. And now for example, if I want to share a photo, like for example if I have to share this photo, then what can I do? I can click on these three dots right here. And here I'll get this option of sharing the photo to Facebook. So I need to click it, and then it will tell me, uh, shall I share this just one time or always share an Instagram post to Facebook? That's completely up to us. So I'm going to click on share once, and then it will automatically share this photo to Facebook. So that's it. That's how you share a post on Facebook. So I hope this video was informative. Let me just see if it has shared it or not. Here you go. The post has been shared on Facebook. So that's how you do it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.